Peace. This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Now, there's some common phrases that you can say. I know one that people love is I love you, which is ndinokuda in Shona. Ndinokuda. And then one thing you should never say, of course, is I hate you, which is ndakakuvenga. But hate is such a strong and bad emotion, really. But yeah, if you're trying to say I love you to someone, you would say ndinokuda. And as for me, I cannot hate you. Now I can avoid you. I can keep you at a far away distance from me. And if I don't trust you, I'm going to make sure that mistrust does not turn into naivete. However, I cannot hate you. That is too strong of an emotion. That is too blinding of a feeling. So yeah, ndinokuda, I love you. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Peace.